Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about measurements, chapter 1, session 2. We have learnt in the first session briefly about the SI units. A recall of it. Let's learn the units. The SI unit of length is meter. SI unit for volume of solid is cubic meter. The unit for volume of liquids is liters. SI unit of mass is kilogram. Unit for time is seconds. The instruments used for measuring length: meter scale, measuring tape, ruler, vernier calipers and screw gauge. Instruments used for measuring volume: graduated beakers, flask and pipettes. Instruments used for measuring mass: beam balance and electronic balance. Let us learn the submultiples and multiples. Here is the tabular column that clearly shows how it is converted into meters. This tabular column shows the values of submultiples and the values of multiples. How will you measure the length of a curved line? This can be done by using a string. What are the materials needed to measure the length of a curved line? A meter scale, measuring tape, a string, and a pen or pencil for marking. Put a knot on the thread near one end. Place the knot at the beginning of the line. Mark it as A and press it with your thumb. Place a small portion of the thread along the curved line. Press the other end of this portion, say B, with your forefinger. Now place the thumb at point B and a small portion of the thread along the next portion of the line. Repeat to find the entire length of the curved line using the thread. Mark the thread where it touches the end of the line. Now stretch out the thread on a meter scale and measure its length. The length of the thread is the length of the curved line. Let us learn about the mass and weight. Most of them assume that mass and weight are the same. Are they the same thing? It is very simple to understand. Mass is nothing but the amount of matter present in the object. Take two same objects. Place one on the earth and the other on the moon. Will the mass be different in each cases? In order to answer these questions, let us ask another question to ourselves. Will the amount of matter in the object be different in these cases? Absolutely not. The amount of matter does not change. It will be the same for each. The mass of the object remains the same no matter where it is placed. Mass is nothing but the measure of how much amount of matter the object has. The standard unit of mass is kilogram. What is weight? It is a measure of the gravitational pull on an object. Weight is how strong the gravity pulls on the matter. If two objects of same mass is placed on Earth and Moon, only the weight changes. The object placed on the Earth will have more weight. That is, it becomes twice the weight of the other due to the gravitational pull. The object on the Moon will have lesser weight. So, we can say the weight is directly proportional to the mass on the Earth's surface. Heavy weights is measured in tons or metric tons. The clear definitions. What is mass? Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. What is weight? Weight is the gravitational pull experienced by the matter. Balance. A physical balance is used to measure the mass of an object. It works on the principle of moments at equilibrium and compares the mass of an object to that of the known mass of an object. Electronic balance. It is used to find the accurate measurements of weight. For example, it is used in laboratories to weigh food in hotels. Now let us see what is time. Time is the ongoing sequence of events taking place, the past, present, and the future. The unit of time is seconds. There are some of the important facts to remember in the lesson. Odometer is a device used for indicating distance traveled by an automobile. Standard set of units was created in 1790. A ruler or scale that we use was invented by William Bedwell. A standard meter rod made of an alloy of platinum and iridium is placed at the Bureau of Weights and Measures in Paris. 1 kilogram is equal to the mass of a bar of platinum iridium alloy. Comparison of an unknown quantity with some known quantity is known as measurements. All physical quantities have standard units for the sake of uniformity. Length, mass, and time are some of the fundamental physical quantities. That's all for today. Thank you.